Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to permanently disable Smart App Control on Windows 11. Start by clicking on the Start menu and type Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app from the search results. Once the app opens, look at the left side menu and click on App and Browser Control. This section manages different protection features related to apps and downloads. Now, find the option called Smart App Control. Click on Smart App Control settings to open its controls. You will now see different options. Select the off option to disable Smart App Control completely. A warning message will appear on your screen. This is normal because turning off this feature reduces some security protection. Click Yes to confirm your choice. After this, Smart App Control will be turned off permanently on your system. Keep in mind that if your system is currently in evaluation mode, you can still turn it off, but you may not be able to turn it back on. Enabling it again later requires a clean installation of Windows 11. That is all. Thanks for watching.